There's a lot of information here to take away. Enjoyed what the speakers have had to say so far. Everybody's on a similar path towards trying to get to where we need to be.
So there are a number of unique concepts about how to be more customer-centric or enable better user experience, cybersecurity, all the way to more kind of deep dive into technical aspects of machine-to-machine communications and how to build APIs and how to build an open cloud ecosystem. So all of these are very valuable topics, and the first day's agenda was filled with all of these.
Takeaway from most of the conferences like this are getting the opportunity to talk to the people that are doing the work. You know, what are you doing with IoT? Why are you interested in the cloud? Why should it be important to you? And it gives us the opportunity to really educate and say, you know, if you aren't thinking about the cloud, here's the reasons you should be. When you're doing IoT, so much data, you're going to need something, and the cloud's a good opportunity for us to break into those conversations.
Great networking opportunity as far as like getting to know what the IoT landscape looks like, what other new products are out there. It's a great avenue to kind of hear from other folks, other companies as well, as far as like what their challenges in IoT has been. And honestly, it's been a really great event for even myself to kind of show all the different challenges that I've had to face within my own company from an IoT perspective and share those with the rest of the group.
So the networking opportunities have been great. I've learned a lot about what other companies are doing. The exhibition has been really great. Just talking to people, trying to see what they can offer, what they can do, and really going through the examples of what they've done has been fantastic.
I get tons of interaction with oil and gas in Houston, and I wanted to see what other industries are doing and have done that maybe we can implement in our business, and it's been great. Already it's been fantastic.
We found the conference to be very beneficial and useful for networking, as well as for talking to people about what they're doing in the field. And so this year, we are again a sponsor, and we have a speaking slot and the opportunity to have a booth to show our platform.
The reason I decided to attend the event was I attended the event last year, and I saw a lot of folks that were really engaged in what the event offered from both a knowledge perspective and a process perspective, right? And also trying to get them engaged in a cause that we're all after, which is this transformation that's going on in the industry that uses technology as a platform to change the way we do everything. Very well done, very informative, and worth the time.